The market theme weaker than expected US June jobs data have eased fears of further Fed tightening, boosting hopes that the Fed may stay on hold. The breaking news Dow Jones surged past the historic 52,500 mark for the first time ever. Our call of the day sentiment continues to improve, and Nifty 50 looks poised to build on its recent momentum. For the day, Nifty 50 is likely to witness an uptick as bulls target a decisive move above last week's high of 24,262 and look to end the week on a strong note. The positive catalyst crude oil slipped below $67.50 per barrel, its lowest level since 27 February, easing inflation concerns and strengthening India's macro outlook. Bottom line, the path of least resistance remains upward for benchmark Nifty 50, with stock-specific action likely to keep bullish traders engaged. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's bullish session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 312 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1784 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive rebound play. F&O July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 12.29 levels. At last check, USD INR, July, has inched higher towards 95.61 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th July, is at 1.10 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.87. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.68. Midcap Nifty is at 0.87. Nifty outlook positive bias to continue aided by media reports that Strait of Hormuz is reopening faster than expected. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,176. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 24,100 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,100 and 24,300. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 77,502. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 77,063 mark on closing basis. Immediate major resistance is placed at 78,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 77,300 to 78,300. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 58,032. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 57,456 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 58,707 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,700 and 58,700. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Nifty is likely to stay on the front foot as the BSE Sensex and Nifty 50 aim to extend Thursday's powerful rebound with steady gains. On the technical front, Nifty is now above its 21-day, 23,745, 50 DMA, 23,829, and 100-day DMA at 24,114, but still below its 200 DMA, 24,871. Focus shall shift towards Tata Consultancy Services, which will officially fire the ceremonial starter's pistol for India's Q1 FY27 earnings season next Thursday, 9th July 2026. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks closed in green. 1. Dhanlakshmi Bank, plus 5.04%, 33 rupees and 55 paise. Dhanlakshmi Bank jumped after reporting a 26.5% YoY rise in gross advances to 15,785 crore rupees. 2. Punjab and Sindh Bank, plus 1.34%, 24 rupees and 91 paise. Punjab and Sindh Bank gained as gross advances increased 19.5% YoY to 1.19 lakh rupees crore. 3. Bank of India, plus 2.34%, 145 rupees. Bank of India advanced 1.69% after reporting a 16.6% YoY growth in global business to 17.56 lakh rupees crore. 4. IT stocks rebounded sharply, with the Nifty IT index rallying after being down nearly 30% in 2026. Investors lapped up beaten-down IT heavyweights, triggering broad-based gains across the sector. Infosys chairman Nandan Nilekani said AI will amplify, not replace, IT services companies. Infosys sees a $400 billion AI-first services opportunity by 2030, reinforcing its long-term growth outlook. Stocks closed in red. 1. Bank of Baroda, minus 4.2%, 260 rupees and 25 paise. Bank of Baroda dropped after announcing a $600 million out-of-court settlement with the joint administrators of NMC Health plc, NMC Healthcare Ltd, and NMC Holding Limited.